Hi everyone, welcome to the Stroud Valley YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making tin can pancakes. You will need a clean tin can, some tools to make air holes with, some scissors to make an opening in the can, a candle to cook with, and a heat resistant surface. You'll need some tools for this bit. Make some holes round the edge and then make an opening for the candle to fit in. Be sure the candle fits the gap you made. I've gone with the vegan pancake recipe. When you make yours, make sure you don't make it too thick, otherwise it will take too long to cook and it will burn. I've weighed and measured my ingredients, so I'm going to put them all in, except for the milk. When you pour in the milk, pour in a little bit at a time, so it doesn't go too lumpy. You can always add in extra milk if you need to at the end. Put oil on the top of your tin can and wait for it to heat up. Be careful, it will be very hot. Wait for one side to be ready and then flip it over. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!